Get your hands clapping. Make some noise for the Chairold!
Going, man! That's how long I've been on ya.
Whoa! Thanks for being here with us tonight. So my brother's getting married. I don't know when. I hope I get told. But tomorrow is what's called a groom's dinner, which I think is kind of like a rehearsal dinner. So it made us wonder, like, what is it that you have been able to do, but you practice at it, but you don't have to practice at it. Like, you know, as like a rehearsal dinner, you don't have to rehearse eating. You don't have to really rehearse asking a girl out on the new Facebook dating app. What are some things, we'd like to hear some suggestions from you guys. What are some things that you do that you do a lot, but you practice them, but you don't have to?
Riding a longboard.
Riding a longboard. Okay, tell us about that. Where do you ride the longboard?
Around OSU campus.
Okay. All right, so we're getting some, some sweet time and some stilly.
So why are you practicing it if you already know how to do it?
Yeah.
You gotta practice dodging potholes.
Yeah, that's why.
Potholes. Yeah. Okay. All right, so riding a longboard in still water, dodging those potholes. What else?
Breathing.
Oh,
Like meditation.
Yeah.
Meditation, scuba diving, singing.
Yeah, I mean, we do those all the time, but we keep having to do it, practice. Okay. So breathing, longboarding. One more?
Anything else?
One more.
Photography.
Oh,
Photography.
Yeah.
You don't know how to work a camera yet?
I mean, you press the button, right, and it takes a picture. What do you have to practice for?
Yeah,
right? Yeah, that's good.
Improv, am I right?
Right. Where do you take photographs? Everywhere. Right. Okay. All right. Well, when the lights come up, you're going to see some form of montage scenes that are inspired by longboard, breathing, and photography. It's when the lights come up, right?
You did. Yeah.
All right.
Wow. Your chakras must be so aligned if you can drop the bass like that.
It's new hip hop meditation. It's
Yeah, drop the chakra!
that's my yogi. Not like Yogi Bear or like Yogi like
yes.
but
Yeah, totally centered! Centered!
In fact, I'm getting rid of the sage and I'm burning something else now.
That is so hip hop of you. I just really want to be in touch with the urban youth,
Word!
Word to your mother.
Oh my God.
I have not felt this centered in my body in so long. Like I can see the beats as they hang out. It's like Busta Rhymes is living in my chakra and just wants to get out. Like,
Wow. You transcended.
I have. I'm to the next level.
You're beyond this realm.
I have. I'm beyond it. I'm like old Lauryn Hill education transcendent. Not current Lauryn Hill. It's crazy.
That totally transcended me. That's beyond me.
Absolutely. Hashtag it transcended. Just speak into it.
Tomorrow, Betty, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna have to keep going with that there Lamaze breathing. That's good stuff.
Just keep going, you look beautiful.
Chairold,
It's for your maternity shoot. It'll be
Yes.
nice.
I told you I didn't want my mother here!
Good. Here, you might need to sit down.
I'm gonna put the wide angle lens on. Okay?
Oh, you just had to bring up wide angle!
That's the best. How about over here? Over here.
Okay. All right, aerial shot.
Oh, that's it. You have to go up high with a drone now, huh?
Oh, you want the drone?
Yeah. I did pay. I paid, baby girl. I paid for the best program for you and our child. Hey, no, darling. No, let's get
I missed it!
I've got a boy of my own. Yes.
Oh my God, and he has so much hair. Smile. I'm on my way to Eskimo Joe's. You better get out of my way.
No, I'm on my way to Eskimo Joe's. You better get out of my way.
I think that's a song.
Sounds like one.
Eskimo Joe's flies by in the background.
Hey,
Cheese fries.
cheese fries. You know who has really good cheese fries?
Eskimo Joe's.
No, O'Connell's.
Oh yeah. High five.
High five. All right. But I'm telling you, this is getting some sweet stuff.
I never knew that I could longboard.
Tweet, tweet! All right,
I knew
ladies,
I could.
either start moving these longboards, I'm going to have to write you a ticket.
What?
Hey,
I've had enough of you. Can I stop moving the scenery now? Just sitting here being a pothole.
Yeah. I'm a hubcap.
Try
Hi.
Got another one.
I mean, it's a classic story.
What's it? Watch this.
Hubcap.
I'm gonna extend it. Oh, she's going down. She's going down.
Oh man, that's a pentaxle right there.
Oh man, that was like a Russian gymnast at the wall. Oh, can we take over here with this little old lady?
I would say go full single.
Oh yeah. We're the Boy Scouts. I need a Boy Scout to help me across the street. Can't see. Oh, she's blind too. Spawn! Man. Whoa, she's walking on water. It's the ghost of Barnhill!
I guess it really just goes back to my birth, Doctor. I remember the first thing I remember was getting my picture snapped, and now I just do.
good again.
I just do crazy needy things for attention.
Son, smile for the drone!
So these things that you do for attention, I mean, like, have you talked to your therapist about that?
Oh, my mom's insurance actually doesn't cover therapy, so I just talk to randos. And my mom filmed it usually on YouTube.
Son, this hip-hop Buddhist isn't free. Speed it up.
So I really feel my chakras would be better aligned. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's our Buddhist hip hop nurse. She just touches you and feels peace.
I feel cultural appropriation in me right now.
found you on the Facebook dating app.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I mean, you weren't necessarily my target audience, but I'm still glad that you're here with me today.
Yeah, and it is a really great restaurant. I mean, you know, the never-ending breadsticks, and salad.
Oh my
Are y'all
gosh.
gonna order, or are you just gonna sit there and reminisce?
We'll take some breadsticks to start.
Yeah, breadsticks would be great. You know,
You want an order of 6 or 12,
Well, I heard they're never ending.
never-ending
Right?
ones.
but we gotta start with 6 or 12.
Oh, six.
So, 6?
But they'll stay hot if we do 6 instead of 12.
Oh my God, that.
I mean, come on. I'm your line sister, okay? I always got you.
Okay, so 6.
6, okay. So, what have you been doing the last 25 years of your life? Start from the beginning.
Okay, so I went to.
That's so interesting. Now about me.
And then there was the high school, and nobody ever took me out. And so then I got to college, and then I got really cool in college.
You did? What happened?
I graduated college.
Oh,
That's
God,
a-
I hate when that happens.
When you graduate college, you stop being cool.
6 breadsticks.
Hey,
Oh, thank you.
okay.
Oh, hey, Marie? I remember you. I think we went to college together.
Do you remember her being cool?
No, I remember cheating off you.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool. That's
right,
pretty cool.
Right? I mean, everybody, you know, talked to me, and you know, I had a lot of people
man.
that would know me.
This is
Oh, that was
great.
awesome. So great seeing you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's maybe. Hey, do you have my number?
Oh,
Are you
really?
on, are you on Facebook?
No. Yes.
Instagram?
Hold on. I'll make a quick account there. We could actually make a date right here.
This is the
Oh my
most
God.
amazing night at the Olive Garden I have
I've actually been reversing asking women at dates.
Oh, change places, change places. Go ahead. Minestrone, oh, right.
Wow, Philip McCoy. I've seen you since Hacker Econ.
Right.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
thanks for We're so far apart. We should really, I mean,
It'd be nice if I could actually look at you. That so well, as they say.
I'm not gonna take it anymore! You hear me? You hear me? I am done!
you sure you maybe now.
Don't bust another one of your good shirts, Hulk.
I need you to sit down in class. This is the first grade, Hulk. You act like you're some kind of superhero or something. You're not. You're a first grader.
Hulk, learn! Green! Green!
Hulk, sit before I call principal.
Hulk, sorry.
Hulk, smart. Hulk, learn. Smart. Hulk, read book.
Why talk slow?
Sweet. You're looking jacked. Nobody's gonna mess with you, man.
Nope, no one's gonna mess with the bulk.
I mean, you gotta have your base, man. You get your power from your legs. I mean, everybody's
Right.
got his upper body, but it is down
It
here.
is all in the quads, the hamstrings, thighs,
Yes.
calves, and the ankles too. People don't know that the ankles
I
are
know,
really
man.
important to keep stable. That's
What's
why
up,
that's
Paul?
why I wear this brand.
Nobody messes with the twerk.
Oh my God.
It's good to have you here.
Don't mess with this guy. We're gonna get served.
I hope so sometimes.
Hey,
Oh no.
Buck.
What's up?
Nobody messes with the twerk.
All right, well, telling you, with our powers combined, we might actually able to do.
Overthrow the patriarchy!
Yeah, right. We're gonna overthrow this stuff. No more crazy selfies. No more stupid iPhone
Excuse me,
updates.
I'm gonna have to ask you guys to actually move more than your arms, or you can't stand here any longer.
What?
This is a dancing zone.
Oh shit.
I am.
I haven't moved at all.
Phenomena. Phenomena.
I'd like to welcome you to Hip Hop Heaven, Ghost of Lauryn Hill. We have a couple questions for you before you enter the pearly gates. Well, they're more like, gold with like the grill. It's pretty sweet. Miseducation was wonderful. Yeah, okay, but Hip Hop God wants to know, why did you go down to Jamaica and live on that planet that you did?
I'm a little confused.
I know that. We heard the albums, okay?
It's murder. I'm Chairold's ghost of career.
Oh my God, we've been expecting you for a long time. You just weren't willing to give it up.
I know, I couldn't recover from the fire festival.
I'm really confused. I think you got me confused with Lauryn Hill of hip hop fame. I'm Lauryn Hill of Oklahoma City.
Okay.
Repeat
after me.
I tripped on a pothole earlier.
Repeat after me. Ready or not?
Ready or not?
That's it. Okay, you're Lauryn Hill.
It's legit. Yeah.
It's legit. It's okay.
Ready or not?
No,
That's a human-
I'm sorry. No, your career stays here, Ja. Okay? You want to go back? That's fine, but you're leaving your career here.
I'll take it.
Do you need to come back? You can.
Maybe you can rebuild. You could be a
You could
firefighter.
rebuild. I'm the angel of rebuilding firefighters and other forms of emergency people.
That sounds amazing.
You can do this. You can help people, not just through music, but also while
Yeah, because you're not helping anybody through music anymore, Ja. It's-
No, not anymore.
Amazing, amazing. Work it, girl. Okay. Enough practicing. Now we put the actual film in.
I miss my longboard.
I miss your longboard too.
I used to just love it when we rode it like one of those little birds, held on to each other and dodged all the potholes and still water.
There's never ever going to be a time that they're going to fix those potholes because that's what makes yours.
Oh my God, it was close to my longboard.
Oh, longboard ghost.
I'm here.
I've missed you, longboard ghost.
We all have.
I've missed you too. I've just been laying up in a lumber yard.
You've been reclaimed?
I've been reclaimed. I've been up there with all the bad toys, all the island of misplaced toys.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, they have like the dolly. Yeah.
Oh my God, and now you're being recycled into like what, a fireplace mantle?
No,
Some-
a damn coffee table and a pizza.
My black gate monster now.